Me, Cass, and we're going to
Cass? You're not Cass. I'm Cass. You're Kaden.
Hi guys, it's me, Kaden.
No, you already did it. All right, so we're going to play
fart game.
No, it's called fart machine. Let's do the fart piano first because it sounds amazing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, fart sound machine. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Wait, can we click this? Wait, let's try them all out. What is that? That's not even a fart. Ooh, that's a nice song. I kind of like that song. Ew.
That's from 2 more eggs.
That is not what a girl fart sounds like. Ew. A wet fart. What is this? Ooh, Super Mario.
Everybody says it's done.
This is ridiculous. Ooh, a fart bomb. Ooh, that's a fart recorder.
It doesn't do anything. Yeah, do a fart bomb.
Wait.
Fart bomb.
Wait, what?
Just do a fart bomb.
No, I don't know how that works. Okay, fart bomb. Let's have 100 seconds.
Do that.
It's going to take forever.
Do that.
No, stop.
Time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
No, I'm not doing this. This is take forever. Wait.
This will be cool and funny. This will be funny. Right, Cass?
Okay, I'm not waiting that long. Bye-bye.
How about we do
Fart circle. Ew. Ew. Gross. Ew. Toxic. That was... Fart shaker. Ew, that looks gross.
Ew! Gross, stop! I don't know what that means.
Ooh.
That doesn't do farts.
What? Retry. What? Maybe I did it wrong.
Do a fart.
Figure out what this is about. Oh.
Oh. Purple white.
No, I can't. Don't. Alright, so I guess we're done recording. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Oh my god, stop.